Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble Little Tiger kids tricycle module number T400. This trike has a rotating seat and reclining seat back. So now I'm going to show you the front section first. I have assembled front section, so because it's quite easy and quite straightforward. So only thing you need to do is put the mud guard and then the front wheel. The only thing I want to mention about is make sure this triangle fixture sighted on your right hand side. Must be on your right hand side. Yeah. Front mud guard, back mud guard, triangle section. To put the front wheel on, very easy. Insert the axle into the tube and then secure by the screw and nuts. You can see there is a red switch. This switch called engage switch. See, now I can pedal the front wheel. If I switch back, so kids won't drive the front wheel. So only you control the tricycle by pushing or pulling or change the direction. Now I'm going to put this front section into a main frame. Still, on your right hand side, the triangle fixture on your right hand side, the small hole on the front, the gap on the back. Washer first, quick release second. Make sure this screw is sighted on the back. Okay. To lock it, tighten the nuts and then fold it and lock it. Front steering handlebar. You can see there is a small pop-up button. This button must be on the front. Push the button. There's a small hole on the front. Now you can see the button stuck in the hole, but the button won't come off completely. You can only see the top of it. The reason for that is the hole is the highest point where you can put the front steering handlebar to. See, it won't pull anymore because that's highest point. But you can push down if you want. So now I'm going to tighten the nut, screw on the behind, and then lock, quick release, close cap, front section that. Now it's the back wheel. I already put one on, so now I'm going to show you another one. There is a small plastic protector. We don't need this one, just take it off from here and then throw it. First, fit the brake in. Make sure you push all the way in. The black plastic gear cock first fit on the wheel. Long bolt, washer first. Second washer. And locking nuts. Make sure you don't tighten this nut too much. Sorry. That's perfect. And now is the parent push handlebar. First, you need to make sure on the tube there's a black plastic washer on top, and then on the bottom, make sure they are both on. Sometimes one of them may fall off into a box, so just make sure they're both on. Take this one off first, put somewhere you can see. Insert from bottom. Okay. Make sure the triangle fixture on your right hand side as well, so you can line up with the front one I just showed you before. Put the washer back in. Quite tight. Now, this part is called part E. The one thing I need to talk about is, on the manual book, the part E looks like single tube. This manual book is for two versions. One is for single push bar and for double push bar. The one you got is double push bar, which is more stronger, which is upgraded. So that's actual part E. They got the double push bar, but on the manual book, there's only single. Yeah. So don't be confused. That's part E. Put it out. Fold it. Okay. Same again. That's double parental push bar. On the handle book, there's only single one, but this one's double. Put it on. Okay. Now come to a very important part, is control rod, which is this part. Before you put this bar in, you need to take this plastic tube off. Okay, just take it off, very simple, just slide it off, and then fit it up. The reason I didn't put the plastic one is there's some little bit adjustment or tightness I'm going to show you. You can see in the middle there's an extension tube, which is allows you to extend or shorten the control rod. Fit it on first. Make sure the front steering handlebar and the parental push handlebar, they're straight, there's no angles. Yeah, lined up, you can see. Sometimes there's a little angle on the front, so it means you need to adjust the length of the control rod. Maybe you need to extend it a little bit or shorten a little bit. Now for me, it looks perfect. They're quite straight. Once you've done that, make sure you tighten the nuts. Okay. Make sure it's quite tight here. Now the control rod set it. You can put the plastic tube back on and then fit it on. Put nuts on. In the future, for example, after a couple months or a year, for example, if you see the angles a little bit changed, what you need to do is, same as I showed before, adjust the length of the control rod and then make sure it's tightened. It don't always happen, sometimes you need adjustment. Okay, that's the most important part for assembly. Now, another tricky bit is this part is footrest. They got two covers. On the cover you say R and L. It means left side on the right side. Okay. There is a plastic cover, so we don't need it. Take it off and then throw away. That's how this part it is. Okay. Put it on, the pin right in the middle of the gap. Okay. The cover, make sure the thin bit is on the back. We got two bits, the thick one and the thin one. The thin one must be on the back. Okay, that was out. Yeah, it took me a couple minutes to do it. It's a little bit tricky, but eventually make sure that thin bit is on the back and then the thick bit on front. That'll be fun. Now seat base. That base, they got two buttons. Push this one, they can move forward or backward, and pull this one, they can rotate it. Very easy. Put it on. The long bolt, tighten from underneath. Under the seat. Two bolts. This one's all. So now it's 80% assembled, and those part is most difficult, and then it's sometimes it's a bit tricky. But once you see this video, you will understand how to put the tricycle together easily. And the rest of them is very easy: the seat, the hood, the cover, and then the handbag on the back. So tricycle is done. If you have any more questions, please visit our website www.easternhorizon.co.uk. Thank you.